Have you ever seen someone who used to be extremely poor, but a few years later, you suddenly notice they've become very rich? And the first thing people usually think is, he was just lucky, or he must have had some kind of big backup. But the truth is a little different, because most wealthy people in the world actually started from almost nothing. No money, no powerful connections. What they had was simply a different way of thinking. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 hidden secrets to going from poor to wealthy. And if you truly understand these 3 things, your life can slowly start to change too. Secret 1. Changing your mindset. The first secret might sound very simple, but honestly, this is where everything begins. The biggest difference between poor and wealthy people is not money, it's the way they think. Imagine 2 people. One person thinks, I don't have money, so I can't do anything. The other person thinks, I don't have money, so I need to figure something out. Same situation, but completely different thinking. And right there, the future begins to change. Many times we create limits inside our own minds. I come from a poor family. I don't have any opportunities. I can't do this. Those thoughts slowly hold us back. But people who move forward in life understand something very important. We can't always control our situation, but we can always control our response. So the first secret is simple. Change the way you think. Ask yourself one question. Am I seeing a problem or an opportunity? Secret 2. Building valuable skills. The second secret is much more practical. Skills. In today's world, money mostly follows skill. If you can solve a problem for people, they're willing to pay you. For example, someone can edit videos really well. Someone can design graphics. Someone understands online marketing. Someone knows how to build a business. These are all skills. Many people look for ways to make money quickly, but the truth is, quick money usually disappears just as quickly. However, when you have skills, money can come again and again. Think about it. If you learn something valuable, something people always need, why would your income ever stop? So the second secret is this: make yourself valuable. Become someone whose work people are searching for. Today we have YouTube, the internet, free courses, everything is available. All you really need is the willingness to learn and consistency. Secret 3. Patience and consistency. The third secret is the hardest one, and this is where most people give up. Patience. We all want fast results. We start today and expect big success tomorrow. But real life doesn't work like that. If you go to the gym, does your body change after just one workout? No. But if you train consistently for 6 months, the difference becomes obvious. Money, career, success, they all follow the same rule. Small actions, done over a long period of time, slowly create big results. People who became wealthy didn't use magic. They simply stayed on the path longer than most people. When others quit, they kept going. That's the third secret: consistency. So, let's quickly remember the 3 secrets. The 3 hidden keys to going from poor to wealthy are: first, change your mindset. Second, build valuable skills. Third, stay patient and consistent. These things sound simple, but the truth is, the people who actually practice them are the ones who see real change in their lives. So, ask yourself one question today. What is one small change I can start today? Maybe learning a new skill. Maybe spending 1 hour every day improving yourself. Start small, but don't stop, because big change always begins with small steps. And if you want to slowly improve your life, just remember, you're not alone in this journey. Let's grow and improve together, one step at a time.